Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Oxford towards Wallingford. The road on the right is the Roses Valley Road, and the Roses Valley Road can take you into Roses Valley community. Entering Wallingford. There are several caves located in this area. A few meters to the right is the Wallingford Tunnel Cave and Wallingford Main Cave. Also on the left you can find Wallingford Sinkhole 1, Wallingford Sinkhole 2 and the Wallingford River Cave. At the roadside here is the Wallingford Roadside Cave. Additionally, it is here at Wallingford that the One Eye River, same as the Noisy River, enters sink or goes beneath the earth. Entering Balaclava. The stone sign on the left here says "Welcome to Balaclava." Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.